As the saying goes, life is not a dress rehearsal, this is it. You've only got one shot at this life, and this module is all about living your best life, being the best you can be and creating the success that you want. And it all starts with you. Self-empowerment and achieving your fullest potential is about really knowing yourself, being crystal clear about what's important to you, what drives you and what energizes you, and making sure what you do is aligned to this. It's about focusing on what's important and making proactive and confident choices to actually make it happen. It's about being yourself, as well as developing and maintaining the right kind of support around you. It involves your thinking and mindset, something which can massively help or hinder you on your journey. And finally, this is about knowing how to handle yourself in times of challenge or difficulty, whether that's due to external events or as a result of fear, doubt, or lack of confidence. In this module, you'll learn key lessons from our Pendulum speakers, leaders in their chosen field from around the world, about what it takes to be your most powerful, impactful, and successful self as a leader. I'm Sheila Shoiga, and I'm delighted to share this exciting journey with you. Let's get started.